everyone. Today we are going to discuss about omni-channel routing, and today's agenda is what is omni-channel, what are the root work with omni-channel, and how to set up a omni-channel. Now, omni-channel is a flexible, customizable feature that you can configure it declaratively, as in you don't need to know about code for setting up an omni-channel. And let me tell you what omni-channel does. So omni-channel basically divide one agent's workload by distributing the cases to right and most feasible user, most feasible agent actually. It does all its work automatically by the routing configuration that you provide, like skill based routing and many different routing work. So here you can see what are the route works, like where omni-channel route all the work. So there can be a queue. Omni-channel can route the work to a queue. From queue it can use multiple agents available into that queue. Then second is for the skill routing, which I have mentioned earlier, which is skill based routing. So omni-channel can search for skills of every agent and will suggest the work or case to the most matching skill agent. Then omni-channel can route to directly to an agent. Then last is to route to a bot. So omni-channel also can route your work to bot, and we are going to learn about that in our next session, which is live web chat. So let's skip to the setup omni-channel part here. Now setting up omni-channel required enabling it, creating service channels, creating its presence statuses, then adding omni-channel to utility, set up agents that are going to use that utility, and then last is to set up queues. Now you can either follow that step or you can always use the guided setup. Using guided setup will help you in such a way that you don't need to do all the work one by one. All these works can be done at one time. So go to recommended setup from your service setup home page and view all here. When you view all, scroll down and you will find a omni-channel setup option. Click here and start the guided setup. Now first is to provide the queue name. When you provide the queue name, it becomes the routing configuration for your omni-channel. Next, add the user to it. Let's provide the name. Actually, I already have set up the omni-channel, so I am just going halfway. You can provide here omni queue and omni agent. Then add add the user here and hit next button. Now as I have told you, I already have set it one omni queue, so let me give its priority 2. As in, whenever omni-channel is running, it will first look for this first priority configuration that I have provided. Then hit next button here. Now here is to adjust your agent's workload. Let me tell you what this is. So work item size is basically how one case is to be treated. In this situation, one case is treated as 5 work item and agent's capacity is 20. So it means one agent can handle only 4 cases at a time. Let's change it to 1. As in, one case would be considered as 1 and change its capacity to 5. Now hit next button here and finish it. So all the setup is done. Refresh your page, and next is to check if the configuration has been done correctly or not. So go to your quick find and search for omni-channel. And you will find all the settings related to omni-channel here. First is to check the presence statuses. So after doing it, you will find these presence statuses up here. And second is the routing configuration. In routing configuration, you can choose your routing model, as in which agent would get the case. So we have to choose most available, and then there is least active, which means the case will get routed to that person which is least active, and I don't think that's going to be our case. So let's leave it as it is, and you can always check for service channel. So right now there are two service channels active. First is messaging, which is by default, and second is Omni setup flow case. This gets created for case object. So whenever you are going to use multiple channels like messaging or phone or live chat, all these channels are going to add up in your service channel list, and you are going to the Omni channel is going to route the work accordingly. So that's all about Omni channel for now. I actually forgot the part where you have to add the Omni channel to your utility item. So look for app manager. Go to the app manager and select either the default service console or the new service console that you have built earlier. Go to edit page, and from utility item add the Omni channel. Okay, here, so I have added the Omni channel, and let's see how it looks like onto your console. So here's the Omni channel here. Now current status is offline. You can change status from here, like available, busy, or on break. Also whenever any work comes from either channel like live chat or messaging, you can accept it from here, and the accepted work or live going work will see up to here. So that's how Omni channel work, and you will get to know Omni channel much better when we are going to discuss live chat in our further sessions. So let's wait till then, and thank you until then.